Hello, Sharon from Mad Paper Crush here, and I just wanted to do a little walkthrough of my new planner kit. It's called Crisp Winter, and it has blues and some beiges in there, a bunch of different color blues, and lots of snowflakes in there. You can kind of see them all over the weekly charts here. So I'm just going to walk through the pages that are in this kit. And the first one is the weekly pages. So there are 2 weekly pages that you can use here, and they're divided into 7 spots for you to be able to, put in your appointments or, different things during the day for each day of the week. And there's little spots that you can write in the date. So you don't have to use these at a specific time. You can use these whenever you want to. And then I did another weekly page, but this time I left off the Monday through Sunday and the date spots, because I thought if you wanted to add your own dates in the way that you want, or if you like to start your week on Sunday or something like that, you could use these to do something different. You could also take these and cut them apart and use them on your book pages as, strips of paper throughout, if you would like to do that as well. I thought that would be a fun use for these too. So these are the same. One just has words and one doesn't have words. And then this is some of the ephemera that's in the kit. There are some stamps here, and you can see there is lots of snowflakes going on there with some canceled marks and a little pine tree here. And then these are different cards that you can use for journaling, for making pockets, for however you do your planner. You can use these for anything you'd like, for lists, to-do lists, things like that on your different pages. So there's different sizes so that you don't have to just have one size of something. You can definitely use them for collaging or just dressing up your journal if you want to as well. And then I also included these little bits of ephemera here. I thought these would be fun to cut out and use throughout my, on a weekly. You could cut that out and put it on there if you'd like, or something to dress it up, but just some little pieces that match the kit. And then on this page, there's some more little snowflakes there with the watercolor behind. And then this one has some more cards and different things to use for ephemera. So there's a tall list here that you could use for, your goals or your to-do lists, or, whatever you might need for that. There's a nice big card here that could be used as a journaling spot or a pocket. There's a small little postcard here. And then there are there's 6 tabs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 of them have words and 3 of them don't. So I wanted to put in some words for different things that I thought would be nice for the winter, the new year, that's when you're getting this kit. Things like gratitude, intentions, and today. And then I also did 3 that are the same, but they just don't have the words. So you could stamp your own words on there or write your own words on there as well. So that is the second page of ephemera. And then I've also included 3 different backgrounds, and I think these would be great for putting, in your altered book. So if you're using an altered book like I am, you can use the background pages to cover up the pages of the book to kind of get yourself started if you want to. So you could do that with the background pages, but a lot of these you could cut out different pieces to use even as note cards throughout your week as well. So if you had more lists and things that you needed to do besides what's on here, there's plenty of space in these background pages for you to cut out and make some different note cards. You could even create some tags with these that I think would be really fun to put in pockets and things like that. So this is the first one there. And then the second one here, I wanted to include some more of the beiges in there. So you kind of have a little background of some book pages and some ledger pages and different things like that in this one. Again, with the snowflakes there to tie everything together. And then the last background page is mostly blues with a bunch of the off-white snowflakes. And behind there are some different advertisement pages and things like that that I thought would be fun in there. But this one you could definitely cut out some space to do some journaling and things like that. So that is the Crisp Winter Planning Kit. These are called madPlans from Mad Paper Crush. So thanks so much for watching, and I will put a link to this kit down below. And I'm also going to be doing my January planning with this, so I will put a link down to the video that I do to create my January planner with these pages as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope that you will, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, friends. Bye-bye.